What's up guys? I'm just applying balm right now on my lips, and this one is from Fresh. It's their Sugar Lip Caramel Hydrating Balm. It is smells so good. I want to eat it. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lynn. If you're not, welcome back. I would love for you guys to subscribe if you haven't already, and click the little notification I forgot how to do it. Click the little notification bell button. That way you're notified every time I upload, and also give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below any videos you would like to see next. So anyways, we have another hair video. I know some of you just want my hair videos, so here is one. I am freshly out the shower. Well, I did get dressed really quickly, and I had my hair wrapped up in this towel. It's from Coco and Eve. We're just going to lay that down, and my hair is really damp right now. I almost forgot to say what this video is about. I mean, you guys already know by the title, but this is my no product hair routine. It's a little contradicting because I'm actually going to use 3 products, but they're all oils, so I feel like that doesn't really count just because it's an oil. Like, none of these products are styling, so I'm not literally styling my hair. I'm just going to apply these oils to hydrate my hair, and yeah, just do that. I'm not really going to style my hair, because when I style my hair I use leave-ins and creams and sometimes gels. So this is a no product hair routine. So you want to make sure your hair is really damp. That's what I do. It's not soaking wet, but it is pretty damp, so you want to apply these oils quickly so that way your hair can absorb it. I'm going to use these products right here. These 2 products I've used before. This one is new, but I want to try it because it's for your split ends, which is great. This is the Kiss Argan and Macadamia hair oil for dry and damaged natural hair. This one right here, and then this one is Pattern Jojoba Oil Hair Serum. It's for moisture boost for hair and scalp. It's right here. So this I only apply it on my scalp, and then this one I apply it towards the ends of my hair, and then this one I'm going to apply it strictly on my split ends. Oh, by the way, this is the Moroccan Oil Mending Infusion Repair. Yeah, that's what it's called. Helps seal split ends, ayuda a reparar las puntas abiertas. I'm going to apply this hair serum first. Just 3 pumps. And I'm going to apply it, just do what I do. Or do your own thing, what you think is best. But I'm going to massage it. I do 3 pumps, but keep in mind that you may have more hair than me, you may have less hair than me, so you may not need 3 pumps, or maybe you want to do more than 3 pumps. So you don't have to strictly follow what I do. You can, and for some people that works, following like another person's like strict hair routine, but it doesn't work for everybody. So sometimes you have to do your own little thing. You have to try different techniques sometimes, because the products may work for you, but the technique that I do may not work for you. So you just have to play around. It's trial and error. If you're doing the same exact thing that I'm doing and it doesn't work, just keep in mind that we have different hairs and different hair types, and you have to try your own little technique. Maybe apply 6 pumps, maybe apply only 2 pumps, maybe only apply 1 product that I'm using. So just make sure that you don't get frustrated. It is a journey with your getting your healthy hair back or maintaining your healthy hair, so just keep that in mind. Don't get frustrated. Alright, so now I'm going with Kiss oil, and I'm doing 2 pumps. This one is thick, but none of these leave your hair oily. I'm applying this mid-length down. I'm going to apply 1 more pump because I feel like, what did I do? 2 or 3 wasn't enough. I forget. Make sure you get the back of your hair as well, and you just want to smooth it onto your hair and also rake. Ooh, I just ripped my earring. I hope it didn't break. No, it didn't. So every time I rake my fingers through my hair, I lose some hair. Everyone sheds, so that's totally normal. If you're really concerned, you can go see a doctor and ask, because it can be that it can be something else. But we do lose about 100 strands of hair every day, so if you have like that much, or even a little more or a little less, it should be normal. But again, if you're really worried, go get it checked out. but that's pretty normal. Sometimes I lose more depending on how long I went without washing my hair, so it really just depends. So the last product I'm going to apply is the Moroccan Oil Infusion Repair. It only says to apply to dry ends as a finisher. Oh, to dry ends. I don't know if it means like your hair needs to be dry or because your ends are usually like the driest part of your hair. So I don't know what it means. So you know what, it doesn't hurt. I am going to apply it right now while my hair is wet or damp. I'm going to apply, ooh, I don't know how many pumps was that, but probably like 5. Ooh. Oh, I love the way Moroccan oil smells. By the way, the other 2 products don't really have a smell or a scent. They're just like very natural. Okay, so I'm just going to apply this to my ends like this. I really like this. Wow. 4 more pumps, I guess. I'm also going a little higher because I do have layers in my hair, so not all of my ends are down here. Like, these are shorter layers, so I'm trying to get them as well. By the way, these hoop earrings are from Majuri, and this necklace is from Majuri. This one, I forgot what brand sent me this, but I need to like see where the little paper is because I really like this necklace as well. It says girls are the solution. I also want to talk a little bit about these 2 products I used in the shower. I didn't show you guys my shower routine because it's pretty simple. All I do is apply product, massage it in, and detangle my hair. I will make a deep conditioning video like outside of the shower because that's a little bit different. So yeah, let me explain this and then let's save that for another video. Oh my god guys, I'm getting allergies. This is not the time. Alright, so in the shower I use this new product from Not Your Mother's. This is probably my 3rd or 4th time using it, but it's a new product from their Curl Talk line. It's their scalp care cleansing oil. So cleansing, I've used cleansing oils before and I love them because I feel like they deeply cleanse more than shampoos, but it really just depends. I use this once a week, once every 2 weeks. It really just depends, but this has Amazonian white clay, peppermint oil, and superfood oil blend. You guys know the little like sensation that you feel when a product has peppermint oil. It feels a little bit like minty. I really love that, but this one is very subtle. I kind of wish it was a little stronger, but this is great for people who don't really like that sensation. It's just very subtle, so you don't have to worry about that. But I use this today because my scalp has been a little bit itchy, and I think it's because the last time I washed my hair I slept with it wet, and I remember when I was younger, when I used to sleep with wet hair, the back of my hair closer to my neck used to get really itchy, so I think that's what it is. So if you're having like itchy problems, make sure that you're not sleeping with like damp or wet hair. So this applicator is very thin, so you can like apply it to your roots directly. I like to just apply it to my hand and then massage it in like a regular shampoo, and then I rinse it off, and then I deep condition with Kerastase nutritive, I think that's how you say it, mask magistral. Why is it so hard for me to pronounce those words? This is from Paris. I don't know much about Kerastase, but I tried this today for the first time. And this product literally feels like butter. It smells so good. It smells normal. It doesn't like have a fruity scent or anything, but it does smell good. It smells fresh and it felt like butter. It was so easy to detangle my hair with. So I left that in my hair after I shampooed for about 3 to 5 minutes. I really didn't keep track, but it wasn't long at all. It was a couple of minutes and my hair felt so soft and smooth in the end, so I would really recommend checking it out. I don't think they're expensive at all. I'm going to leave all the links down below to these products. So now I am actually going to go to the grocery store. Well, I'm not going into the grocery store, my mom is. I am driving her and I'm just staying in the car, and she's going to do all the shopping and then we're going to come back. So, you know, we're being really safe. My hair should be somewhat dry by then because it is warmer outside, and when it's warm outside my hair dries pretty fast. So let's see, I am going to be in the car, but yeah, let's see what happens, and then I'll come back later and show you guys how my hair looks dry without any product. These are my results. My hair is 100% dry. This side is much frizzier than this side. I don't know why. Sometimes that happens. I embrace the frizz. So my message to you guys is to style your hair with no products, or let your hair dry with no products. Maybe apply a little bit of oils to just nourish your hair, but embrace your hair at this state. Honestly, I would go out like this if, you know, we weren't social distancing and it was a normal day. I would go out to brunch like this. I would go out with my friends like this. I would go out to a bar shopping like this. I really don't care. I've gone to bars without any makeup or hair products. So honestly, I don't give any fucks anymore. But yeah, I am obsessed with my hair like this. I love it. It has so much volume. A lot of you guys ask, how do I achieve so much volume? And I naturally just achieve it. I just naturally have voluminous hair. Sometimes I do apply volumizing products depending on the weather and the day, because they really do like provide a hold for your hair, but that would be for another video. I think I might have a video on that, by the way. But yeah, so my message is to embrace your hair, whether it's damaged, whether you're on your curly hair journey. Just embrace it. Don't stress about it too much. Please don't get frustrated easily about it, because you can, and it's not good for you, because it's a journey and your hair is not going to look perfect every single day. It just really isn't. My hair doesn't look defined or voluminous. It doesn't look voluminous every single day, but it doesn't look like so juicy and curly every time I wake up. Like, it just doesn't. Like, that's not natural. That's not life. That's not reality. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. It will help me so much in my YouTube career. And please leave me any comments down below that you may have, even if it's just like an emoji or saying, oh, I love this video, or give me any suggestions that you have for my next video. I am going to be filming a lot, so get ready, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.